Hey guys, your favorite Willie. Willie with the Y. Not Willie with an IE. That would be your favorite Willie, be Willie Nelson then. Your favorite Willie with the Y, junk car Willie. Doing a little cleanup. Where's the stuff? Come on, folks. Come on now. For some reason I got rubber all over my back fender there by my wheel well. Wonder how that happened. I hope the brush got soap in it, because I did. Come on. Some soap. What the heck? There, God. Coming out now. Speedy doggy. Gonna wash off the junk. Gonna make the Ratty Riviera a royal Riviera. I might even do a little dance for you guys. I'm in such a good mood today. 70 degrees. Gonna go film a junkyard here in about an hour and a half. Loving life, living, not existing, guys. Until that dream car is attainable, get out there, buy, fix, and drive. I proved with 2 vehicles and all the ones I got for sale, you can do it for under $2,000. Drive it safely, over 3,300 miles coming up on 6 weeks. 8 times down the drag strip at Jeffers Motorsport in Sykeston, Missouri. Big shout out to all my no-name national buddies. I'm going to start posting their channels on community since I picked up some views since then, subscribers. And I'm going to ask you guys to please do it. Go to American Hot Rod Association, subscribe. His personal channel, just like Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood, Mr. Rogers. And the one, the only, the legend, John Wilburn. Destroyer 1320 that did the thing for sponsored the burnout competition. And the one, the only, the legend, I call him, Buzz from Roadkill Custom. The original Roadkill, guys. The original one. Come on, son. And it takes that soap a while to get them out. Oh, need some more money. Be right back. make sure you guys subscribe. Junk Car Willie, the fastest automotive growing YouTube channel in all of Mason, West Virginia, population 721. Yes! The fastest growing YouTube channel out of all 721 residents here. And I'm screaming because you're far away, so you're probably fucking turning the volume down. Hey, light tried to beat me down this weekend, guys. Stuff got real negative. People I trusted. Well, let's just say life beat me down. And I got out and decided to do what I love. Hunt the back roads. Called up my good buddy Charlie Salvage. He was like, come on down. We did it there this summer, but the brush was so bad. Now we can get a better look at it. You guys listening? Okay. I'm gonna sing a little song, maybe. What can I sing? I like my own song. Okay. Ring-a-ling-a-ling, ring-a-ling-a-ling. Hello? Do what? Think you up when? Oh, baby, you know what I like. Chantilly and the pretty face and the ponytail hanging down her waist. I wiggle in her walk, I giggle in her talk. Makes the world go round and around. There ain't nothing like a baby got a girl to make me act so fun. Spend my money, being real loose like a long neck goose. Come on, baby. You know what I like. Yep. I probably just lost about 3,000 subscribers at that one. But I'll get you back with the old junk cars. No more singing. I know. I try not to get on camera too much because, look guys, I realize that I'm really something special. And I'm afraid your women might just look over your shoulder, see me on YouTube, and next thing you know, you're alone and I got a bunch of women knocking on the door. Now, I don't want to do that to you guys. So, I try to stay behind the camera and hide my beautiful good looks. Oh yeah, did I tell you that you guys made me confident and motivated? The best subscribers in all, I've got one of the best subscriber lists in all YouTube, man. Loyal. 400 of you just loyal guys and gals that watch whatever I do. As soon as you use a car wash brush, you get swirls in your paint. My 2020 Honda Civic, I've always hand washed. This thing, I cleaned it with an SOS pad to get the rust off, but we ain't hurting it. That's all, guys. As always, I appreciate you. Remember, it'd be a boring world if we was all the same. Keep being you.